just getting to school. I think there's some stuff we need to talk about. Online classes and the coronavirus. What does it mean? Are we gonna have online classes? Can we keep having online classes? Oh, here's my building. I have to stop now. This is my office. See? Has my name. Come on, put the bike. Horsley Hall. Okay, so here's the deal. Coronavirus, novel coronavirus, COVID-19. So people don't want to get sick. They want to stop the spread. So one idea, move classes online. A lot of universities have already done this. I have a feeling that we're going to do it too. Can we even do classes online? Yeah, I'm sure we can. Will it be as good as in-person classes? I don't think so, but I don't 100% know. Can you do everything you do in a face-to-face class? Probably not exactly the same, but maybe better, maybe worse. Am I afraid that we'll do online classes and never go back? Yeah, a little bit. I'm just afraid of change, you know? But maybe it could be better. But I don't think we should just change it. So. This is a standard lecture hall. Students sit there. Person with all the knowledge stand right here. Write stuff on the board or uses a computer to show a PowerPoint. I teach in this room. It's not the best, but this is a traditional lecture hall. Can you get this to work? Okay. Yes, probably. This is a lab. And this is our circuits lab. We do, E&M stuff here, resistors. Can you do this online? It's a great question. Can you do, really, I think the number one thing is, what is the purpose of the lab? Why are you in lab? Is it so that you can learn how to use these things? Some people will say that. Is it to reinforce the lecture material? Some people say that too. I don't think that works. Is it to problem solve, to critically think? Probably yes. Can you do those things online? Probably yes. Do I know what I'm talking about? Probably not. This is my favorite classroom. I have here some round tables. Students can work in groups. I have whiteboards for students to work on. Now, it has been converted for a video classroom also, so they took away some of my whiteboards, added some more projectors, but still, I like this room because this is close to my ideal classroom for students. And close your eyes and imagine what is the best possible learning environment for your students, and can that be done online? This is my favorite place. It's maybe not the best, but I like it. For me, the key is right here. Students are doing stuff. It's not, where's the front of the room? Is it that? It could be. You can make this work for a normal room, but there's no front. It's not about what I say. It's about what the students do. It's about what they do on the board. Having students work on the board in groups is just, I love it. It works great. Can you do that online? That's the question. Can you do that online? Whew. Maybe. I don't know. But here's the most important point. If your idea of a class is to present knowledge and understanding to the students in a lecture, couldn't that lecture just be online? Couldn't it just be a video? Couldn't you just make one video one time for everyone and be done with it? If that's what you're doing, if you're lecturing and you're telling them stuff that's probably in the book anyway, they could read the book. Or you can make a video and have them look at that, then have them do stuff in class. Then I say just move online and be done with it. But I want to be clear. I don't know that you can't do what I think is the best, which is primarily based on research. I just want you to know, and it's not just me. I don't know that you can't do that online. So maybe we should figure that out. Still, this is my favorite room. So what about assessment? I mean, I think that's the other big issue. I don't really get to, I don't know, how do you give a test online? That's the real question, right? And what are you testing is the more important thing. Personally, I really like, I used it in my normal class anyway, having students create video solutions of things. They solve a problem, they make a video, they submit the video, and I grade it. It really works great. But I think if you want to go 100% online, this idea of assessment, we really need to think about what are we trying to do? And how do we do that? And instead of saying, how do I take exactly what I have in real life and put it on paper or put it online? How do you take stuff that we do in physical things and put it online? I think that case we may have another issue. So I think I'm completely open to the idea that we could be online, especially if we do synchronous stuff where it's just like video chatting and things like that. I think it's possible. I'm not really excited about it, but I think it's possible. So something we'll have to think about.